seen you in the neighborhood, have I?
I don't think so. I didn't even know which one was your house till the other day. I figured out you had the pool house.
We're live, Pervin Grafton. Happy Wednesday. Man, let me tell you what happened. Caleb texted me at 4:20 or 4:30. The gym didn't open this morning. You know, when you're coming in early, you're very dependent upon that person that opens up the gym. And that person did not show up this morning. That's very aggravating. So me and him just walked around the neighborhood. Didn't get to lift.
Dang, man.
Yeah, I'm a little off this morning.
That'll throw it off. Your whole routine.
Excuse me. Yeah, I am off. All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome. Welcome to the morning grind every Monday through Friday. Somebody sits right here, and we've specifically been talking about real estate. Excuse me. Before we get started, though, we always begin our show forcing ourselves to become thankful. Gratitude. 60 seconds of gratitude. We're going to start right over there with you, Allie. What are you thankful for today?
I'm thankful me and Bailey got to go to a pedicure last night, and it was very relaxing, and it was exactly what I needed to make my day better.
And now, what kind of mood are we?
I'm in a great mood today.
You're shifting, though.
I'm shifting. No.
You're shifting
No,
a little bit.
I'm
I
not.
saw it. I heard it. You It shifted.
Good mood.
Good mood.
Yeah, you were
Bailey.
shifting. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for. So I went to Jack Brown, so it's like a local-ish company. So I'm thankful for like all the local restaurants.
Jack Brown's. Well, you know, they're really headquartered somewhere else, though.
Yeah,
They're like in Virginia or somewhere, aren't
They
they?
have a location in Nashville too.
Yeah.
But
Do you like Jack Brown's?
I love it. Yeah,
Here they got good beer and burgers.
that's what I got. Beer and a burger.
Good.
Greg Brady.
Good. You over there, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful I got to take my brother to watch the new Toy Story movie last night.
Aw.
Good.
I haven't seen like the last three. What is that, number 5 or 6? The last 2.
Well, let me tell you, I'm thankful tonight. Me and my wife are going out to dinner to the Alley on Main, my favorite restaurant, hanging out with some new clients tonight. So really looking forward to that. And speaking of, this would be a listing, what we're talking about, who benefits most from an open house? Open AI. Who benefits from an open house? Begin with you. You don't know anything about real estate, so I'll begin with you, friend. Who do you think benefits the most from an open house?
I would say the agent.
The agent.
Yeah.
Now, why specifically did you say the agent? How do they benefit?
I would say because it's a new opportunity to just get your face around and meet people.
Okay. That is exactly what I would say. Number one, who benefits most from an open house is the agent that's hosting the open house. They're there not to sell the house. About 2% of the time, an open house, maybe 2 to 3% of the time, an open house sells the house. So you're there to meet people, for people to meet you, for you to collect data, information, for people that you can follow up with. So what you're really there to do is help your business as the agent. But the seller, for whatever reason, expects... Why do sellers want open houses?
Hey, that's marketing right there.
Oh, that is marketing.
Marketing.
That is, okay. Then what do you think sellers want open houses?
It just makes them feel better that you're trying hard.
Instead of you doing something else, boy, you here at my house.
Taking time out of your
Taking,
time.
there you go. I'm controlling you. Get over here. Get over here and hang out right here, boy. Okay.
Couch.
So you said number one, it was for the agent. It's a way for them to collect leads for free. Now, they may have something there. For the most part, it's going to cost them nothing other than their time and their effort. Somebody walks in, you come in, maybe you want to buy a house. Maybe you got to sell a house. So think about this. Over the course of a year, how many leads could an agent get over a year? So let's just say let's say they did one a month. They should be doing more than that.
How many leads are they getting per open house?
Let's just say if they get a lead or two.
Let's say 2 leads for every month. That'd be 24.
24 leads, okay. Okay, and let's just say if they get 2 deals off that. Cost them nothing.
house lead that I sold them a house and listed their house.
Congratulations. You should be doing more of them.
Yes.
I know you don't have much time, but hey,
I make it.
let's make you do more of them. So number 2, who do you think benefits second? If it's the agent first, who also would benefit? I'm going to do these in order.
The brokerage.
The brokerage, well, I guess they do get a little brand recognition, but I'm going to say this. Since I'm picking this, I'm going to say number 2, who benefits would be the consumers. They get to get the buyers, the people that come to the open house. I can come to this house. I can get information. I can see something. I'm not overly interested. I didn't have to schedule an appointment with you. I got distance, and I can become more familiar with the market. So the buyer would get a little bit of, they get more benefit from number 3. We'll get to that. So I'm going to rank these 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 would be the agent there. Number 2, it's the buyer that comes in there that gets to look around. Maybe they give you information. Maybe they don't. I didn't have to schedule an appointment. I can come over there between 1 and 3. I can do whatever I want. So a scheduled showing is completely different level of interest than a open house person walking in there.
A lot more commitment.
Exactly right. So whenever I'm talking to an agent, and they're like, well, we haven't had any scheduled showings, but we've had a lot of people at open houses. I'm like, God, I can't, what are you saying? I mean, just like, it takes a very limited level of interest to go to an open house. When I'm in Florida, me and my wife, we might go to an open house, but I'm not going to call up an agent and say, let's go look at this house. So number 1 is the agent. Number 2, it would be the consumer, the buyer. Number 3, can you guess? Of course not. Can you guess?
The seller.
The seller. It would be the seller. Why? What do they get out of this?
Some peace of mind to see that you're doing effort like this.
You're being a good boy or a girl, like I told you to do. Control.
They feel like they're getting more people in their house too, so that makes it feel better, even if it's like we discussed with the showing difference.
But if I were to tell you only 2 out of 100 people go to an open house and they buy it, as a seller, would you care or do you still want it done?
You still want it done.
I can't hear you, Van.
You definitely want it done because they think that that one buyer, that perfect buyer, maybe.
And it costs the seller nothing. We'll just go do something and you sit here in our house. Feed my dog. Do whatever.
Clean up while you're here, too.
Make sure you do this. Make sure you do that. We'll be back. We'll probably watch you on this camera. We'll listen to what you're saying. But most sellers are looking for everything other than getting their house priced where it needs to be.
That market end is real important.
80% of your marketing is the price you choose to sell it at.
That's a good stat to use in a listing presentation.
What used to be in our listing presentation. That's why I said it. So number 1, it's for the buyer or for the agent. Number 2, it's for the consumer, which I'm going to call the buyer. Number 3, it would be for the seller. And I mean, you could put in there. It is good for it is good branding for like whenever agents put their signs out, they still see the brokerage. So I'm going to say number 4, it would be for the brokerage because I see that more than likely they're not going to remember the agent. They're just going to say, "Oh, John Jones got open house over there, honey. We ought to go take a look at it." So, and like Van was saying, if you ever decide to sell your house, more than likely you're still going to want open houses done instead of doing what they told you. Really, you should try to sell your house within 21 days. We ought to have something in our marketing about the importance of selling your house within 21 days. Van Grafton, shut us down, please.